Fine, good morning to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. So I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your studies, your food, your enjoyment, your parents, etc. etc. Okay students. So warm greetings to you all students. Welcome to our today's online class. So this period is computer science for you students. So please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please listen carefully what are things I am teaching. Okay. So now you are studying about chapter 5, isn't it? So what's the title of your chapter students? Working with Windows operating system, isn't it? So in this chapter you have studied lot of things about operating system. So what's the use of operating system? How you need to work with the operating system, isn't it? So how you need to open the file, how you need to close the file, how you need to find the file, search the file, isn't it? So many things you have studied in this chapter. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about moving or copying files and folders. Okay, so you are going to, so you have studied about what do you mean by files, what do you mean by folders, etc. Isn't it? So today you are going to moving or copying files and folders. So what's the meaning mean? So you can able to move, you have stored the file in one place. Okay, so you can save the file or folder in one place. Now it has the ability to change or move the file from one place to next place. Okay, for that what are the steps you need to follow, that only you are going to study. Okay, so first one is cut and paste. Okay, so what's the first step? What's the first step for moving files and folders? First method is cut and paste. So listen, so next you are going to study about copy and paste. So you should find the difference. You should know the difference between copy and paste as well as cut and paste. Okay. So cut and paste means listen. So for example, a file is available in a location called D drive. Okay, so file is available in the location called what? D drive. Now you are going to cut the file from the D drive and you are going to paste the file to E drive. Okay, for example I am telling. Okay, so cut and paste mean, so from which place you are giving the cut option, that place the file will not be there. So which place you are going to paste, that place only the file will be there. Understood students? So cut means what's option? So you can able to move the file from one place to another. Cut means the from where you are giving or cutting the file, that place the file will not be there. Which place you have paste, that place only the file will be there. Okay, but copy and paste. Okay, so copy and paste is not like that. So copy and paste mean, so from which place you are copying so that place also the file will be there. Which place you are pasting, so that place also the file will be there. Okay, so two places also the file will be there. So that's the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Okay, okay. So what are the steps you need to follow to cut the file? Okay, so so for example D drive the file will be there. Okay, so you need to go to the edit option. Understood students? You need to go to which option students? Edit option. Okay, so in the edit you should select cut option. Understood? So first which file or folder you need to cut or copy, that file or folder you need to click first. First thing is you need to click that one. Click the file or folder. Okay, then go to which option students? Edit option. Okay, then in the edit option you should choose which one? Cut option. Okay, so what's the shortcut for cut means Control X. Okay, so what's the shortcut for X? Sorry, what's the shortcut for cut option? Control X. Okay, so you can go to the edit option and you can select the cut option, or you can give the Control X from the keyboard. Otherwise, so you need to right click. So for your folder or file, which folder or file you need to cut, so keep the mouse pointer there and you need to right click. Okay, so once you have right click, lot of options, that pop-up menu will appear. So from the pop-up menu you should choose which option students? Cut option. Understood? Okay, then so from one place you are giving this option, from that place to next drive. maybe D drive to E drive. Okay, so next drive or next place you are going to copy the file. Okay, so sorry, cutting and pasting the file. So which place you are going to paste, that place also same method you should follow. Instead of cut, you need to give which option? Paste option. So you need to go to which one? Edit menu. Then you need to give which option? Paste option. Okay. So for cut, what's a shortcut means Control X. Same way for paste, what's a shortcut means Control V. Understood? So cut option, what's the shortcut, students? Control X. For paste option, what's the shortcut? Control V. Okay. Otherwise, same way, you can right click and give the paste option. Okay, then your file will be pasted in the new location. Okay, so what's the first step to move the file from one place to another? Cut and paste. Okay, so to cut and paste, what are steps you need to follow, students? First you need to click the file, which file you need to move. Okay, then so from there click the file, then you need to choose which option? File menu, sorry, not file menu, edit menu. From the edit menu you need to choose which one? Control cut option. What's the shortcut for cut? Control X. Then otherwise you can right click the from the pop-up menu, you need to select which option? Cut option. Okay, then which place you need to paste, go to that place the same way. Go to the edit option, then click paste. What's the shortcut for paste? Control V. Understood, student? This is the first method, cut and paste. Okay, so next one is drag and drop. Okay, so students, now I am explaining how you need to cut and paste the file. Okay, so listen, for example, so I need to copy the file from the, this is D drive. Have you seen this one? D drive. Okay, so if you are using Windows 7 means, listen students, Windows 7 means, so here the option will be there, file, edit, view. So Windows 8 somewhat different. Okay, so I am not going to explain that. So if we are using Windows 7 means, likewise file option is there, no? Likewise edit option will be there. So from the edit you need to choose the cut option. So in another one thing I said, what are the things you need to? First, for example, I am going to copy this file. Okay, for example, I am going to copy this file. Okay, so first what's the step you need to follow? First you need to click the file. So I have clicked the file. See how you need to find it? So blue color is there, no? So next you need to right click. So I have right click. Okay, so once you have right click, you have studied, the pop-up menu will open. This is the pop-up menu. So from this pop-up menu, so what thing you need to do? Cut. Isn't it? What, see, have you seen this one, cut option? Yes, I have cut the file. See, once you have cut the file will be in blink position, blink color. Okay, so next listen carefully, the file is in which one? D drive. Now I am going to copy in which drive? E drive. See, E drive. Now I am going to copy in which drive, students? E drive. See, listen carefully, what are the things I need to follow? Same way, right click, then you need to choose which option? Paste option. Have you seen? See which file I have cut it from there, so that file I have pasted here. Understood? So now already I said, so if you are cutting and pasting means, so that file will not be available in the original location. See whether that file will be there? No. But if you are copying and paste means the file will be available in that place also. Understood, students? Cut and paste. Okay, so next one is drag and drop. Okay, so what do you mean by drag and drop means? Listen, so moving from one place to another. Okay, so in a computer there are two pans are there, right pan and left pan. Okay, so in from one pan to next pan you can able to, I'll explain, one pan to next pan you can able to move the file. So once you have opened the drives or once you have opened the folders, so it will display what are the files will be available inside the folder or inside the drive, just like a tree like structure. Okay, so here to drag and drop order steps you need to follow means, just so if a right pan to left pan you need to move in. So first you need to select the folder from the right pan, then just you need to select the file and press your mouse button. Okay, left mouse button, and you need to drag it and move. So automatically the file will come to the next place. That also I'll explain. Listen student, see. So this is the two pans, left pan and right pan. Okay, left pan and right pan. See students, so here local disk D. So once you have click this one means, see all the folders and files will be displayed just like a tree like structure. Have you seen? Have you seen this one? This is a tree-like structure. What are the files and folders available inside the folder? All the drives, what are the folders will be available? All the things will be displayed just like a tree-like structure. Okay, so instead of cut and paste, so just for example, I need to move this folder, test folder. See, test folder is there. So I need to move this test folder from here to here. So what I need to do? First I need to click the folder. Then I need to just click the folder. Just you need to press the mouse button. Then just you need to move. So it will drag it and automatically it will come to here. Understood, students? Understood what I mean by drag and drop? So you need to press the mouse button and you need to move. So automatically the file or folder will come here. Understood, students? Okay, that also I'll explain. See, students, see, already I said, so once you are opening that drives, all the files or folders are there. Okay, so how you need to drag and drop? I said which file you need, that file you can able to move from one place to next place. Isn't it or not? So for example, among this any one folder or any one file, you can able to move from any one folder. Okay, so for example, listen, students. So I am going to move this file or folder to some other thing. Okay, so listen, what are the words step I need to do? So I need to click this folder and just see, just press your mouse button. See what are the file you are drawing. Have you seen which place you need to move? That place. See, automatically if you drag means the file will be pasted here. Understood, students, what do you mean by drag and drop? Understood? Okay, so two methods you have studied. What are they? Cut and paste and drag and drop. Okay, so next one is copying files and folders. Okay, so copy file and folder is same way just like a cut and paste. But first itself I said cut and paste means from which place you are taking, that place the file will not be there. But copy and paste means that place also file will be there. Which place you are pasting, that place also file will be there. So that's the difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. Okay, so same way only you need to follow. So what are the steps you follow to cut and paste? First you need to choose the folder or file. Then you need to go to the edit menu. Then you need to click the cut option. Same way here, you need to click the file, which one you need to copy or paste that file. Then go to the edit menu. So from the edit menu you need to choose which one? Copy option. Okay, so instead of cut option you need to choose which one? Copy option. Okay, so what's the shortcut for copy? Control C. So what's the shortcut for cut option is said? Control V. Okay, so otherwise what you can do? Right click and from the pop-up menu you need to choose copy. Okay, then you need to move to the which location you need to paste. That location you need to move, and that location again you need to go to the edit option and paste. Okay, so or press the Control V. Otherwise you right click from the pop-up menu, you can choose which option? Paste option. Understood? So cut and paste and copy and paste is the same, but so cut and paste you need to choose the cut option, and copy option you need to choose which one? Copy option. So that's the difference between the cut and paste. Okay, so here also copy and paste also same thing. Drag and drop. So what are the steps you need to follow to drag and drop? So in the right pane you need to select the file and folder. So from the file and folder, which file you need to choose, that one you need to press. That is just a click and long press in the mouse button. Then you need to move the drag from one place to and dropping in next place. That's the same copy and paste. Okay, okay, so next thing. Okay, students, till now you have studied about moving files and folders, isn't it? What are the things? Cut and paste, then drag and drop, and copy and paste. Okay, so that are the files. So now what are the things you have studied? That and all you are copying and pasting or cutting and pasting inside the drive icon, from one drive icon to the next drive icon. Okay, so now you need to copy the file or folder from the pen drive. Okay, students, now you are going to copy or cut or paste the file from the pen drive, or remove, not only pen drive, maybe it's a memory card or from a mobile phone, any one removable disk. Okay, so what are the steps you need to follow to copy the file from your pen drive or any other removable disk? Okay, so for that also two options will be there. Okay, so there also copy and paste, and also another one option called send to. Okay, what are the two options, students? One is copy and paste, another one is send to. Okay, So first one is copy and paste. Okay. So if you are plugging the pen drive in your laptop or your computer, so automatically the pen drive or laptop will be displayed there. Okay, students, automatically it will be displayed there. Okay, then so if you are not finding the pen drive or your memory card or mobile there, means you need to go to the my computer. Okay, so from the my computer, see, from the start you need to go where computer. So once you have plugged the pen drive in your computer, means automatically it will come. Sometimes the pen drive is not opening, means you from the start menu you need to go to which option, students? My computer. Okay, so from the my computer, listen. So for example, this is a pen drive. The name of the pen drive is Madi. Okay, have you seen? This is the name of your pen drive. So which pen drive you need to open? So this is your removal disk. So that one you need to double click. Okay, so if you are plugging the pen drive in your computer, automatically it will open. If automatically it is not opening, means you need to go to where? You need to go to start menu. From the start menu you need to choose which one? Computer. So if you need to double click the computer option, so all the drive icons will open. From the drive icon you need to choose your pen drive. So the name of the pen drive is Madi. Okay, so you need to double click that one. Okay, students, you need to double click that one. Okay, so now your pen drive is open. So from the pen drive you are going to copying the file. So what are the steps you need to follow? So for example, I am going to copy this file. So you need to right click on the file. Okay, so right click copy means which option you need to choose, students? Copy option. So from here to where you need to paste, that location you need to choose. So for example, I am copying that file from here. I am going to paste in other location. Okay, so you need to click which option, students? Paste option. Okay, students, paste option. Okay, same another one method is there, means listen. So now this is copy and paste. Next method is send to. Send to mean same thing only. So choose the file, then have you seen this one, send to option is there? Yes, so you need to select the send to option. So if you click the send to option, means the arrow mark will choose, so where you need to send. So you need to choose that file, and from where you need to go, that place it will get copy. Okay, students, so first you need to choose your pen drive. For example, see, so which file you need to open, that file you need to click, and you need to click the which option, students? Send to. So if you are clicking the send to option, this icon will open, pop-up menu. So it will ask where in documents or in your pen drive or DVD, where you need to send. From here you need to select the location. So in which location you are selecting, automatically it will go to there. Understood, students? So up to this enough, I think it's so. Okay, then remain, I'll continue tomorrow. So what are the portions you have studied today? Just recall, students, what are the portions you have studied today? So moving files from one place to another. What are the things? What are the steps? Copy, or that means cut and paste. So what is the shortcut for cut and paste? Control X. Then another one is drag and drop. Another one is copy and paste. What's the shortcut for copy? Control C. Another one is from the pen drive, how you need to copy. Copy, what are the steps you need to follow moving the file? Copy and paste, as well as send to option. Okay, students, just to go through it, all the what are things I have taken today, this and all be very basic things. So study will take us, students. Thank you.